Hello everyone. Today we will discuss English language and literature term-wise syllabus released by Central Board of Secondary Education Class 9 academic year 2021-2022. Term 1 Reading. Question based on the following kinds of unseen passages to assess inference, evaluation, vocabulary, analysis and interpretation. Descriptive paragraph. Case based factual passage. Writing. Descriptive paragraph of a person. Second, short story. Grammar. In grammar it will come tenses, subject verb concord, modals, determiners, reported speech, com and the requests, statements and questions. In literature, question based on extracts, text to assess interpretation, inference, extrapolation beyond the text and across the texts. Moments. The Lost Child, The Adventures of Toto, In the Kingdom of Fools, and The Happy Prince. In the Beehive, prose. The Fun They Had, The Sound of Music, The Little Girl, A Truly Beautiful Mind, My Childhood Poems. In poems, The Road Not Taken, Wind, Rain on the Roof, A Legend of the Northland. Now we will discuss the term 2. Reading. Question based on the following kinds of unseen passage to assess inference, evaluation, vocabulary, analysis and interpretation. Number 1. Discursive passage. You have to write within 400 to 450 words. Second, case based factual passage with visual input or statistical data. Writing and grammar. Writing. Descriptive paragraph. Diary. Second, story writing. In grammar, tenses, subject verb concord, modals, determiners, reported speech, commands and requests, statement and questions. In literature, question based on extracts, text to assess interpretation, inference, extrapolation beyond the text and across the texts. In moments, weathering the storm in Irsama, The Last Leaf, A House is Not a Home, The Beggar. In Beehive, prose, packing, reach for the top, The Bond of Love, If I Were You poems. In poems, No Men Are Foreign, On Killing a Tree, The Snake Trying. Each term, section, reading, weightage 10. Writing and grammar, marks 10. Literature, marks 20. Total it is 40. Internal assessment, they will give you the internet assessment mark as out of 10 marks and it is grand total of 50.